According to the organizer of the 2022 China International Fair for Trade and Services, a total of 88.3% of the planned offline exhibition area at the event has been booked. Over 1,000 companies, including 275 Fortune 500 companies and industry-leading enterprises, have confirmed they will attend the exhibition online and offline. 25 countries and 6 international organizations will participate in the exhibition. The event this year will have a total exhibition area of 152,000 square meters, an increase of 26,000 square meters. The fair is scheduled to be held in Beijing from August 31st to September 5th. It will include the Global Services Trade Summit, exhibitions, forums, new product and technology releases, business promotions and discussions, and supporting activities. The event will have an environmental services section for the first time, which will showcase new environmental, green and energy-saving technologies and applications that can help China meet its carbon peak and neutrality goals.